Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by scoring the top layer and making a controlled entry point. This lets remover penetrate. Mix warm water with a little dish soap, about 1/4 cup per liter, and test a small patch to confirm it won't damage paint. Soak a cloth and press 5 to 10 minutes. Once the adhesive softens, use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle and peel slowly in sections, keeping the surface wet. Make sure to collect strips on a drop cloth to keep the floor clean. Once the paper is mostly off, focus on the glue. Apply commercial remover per label or a 50/50 white vinegar and water mix and let it dwell. For very stubborn adhesive, use a handheld steamer. Maintain about 100 to 120 degrees on the head and never hold in one spot too long. Then scrape gently with a plastic blade, switching to a thin metal scraper only for residue on solid surfaces. Repeat wetting and scraping. Finish by rinsing the wall thoroughly with clean water, removing any chemical residue or lingering odor. Allow it to dry fully, ideally overnight. Sand any raised fibers or small bumps with 120 to 220 grit, and repair gouges using spackle. Apply, dry, then sand smooth. Once the surface is uniform, apply a bonding primer to seal remaining traces and promote adhesion for new paint or wallpaper. If the paper won't release, reapply remover and steam the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.